Here's our little friend with the bird on the back. Seems to be walking. It's okay because we're driving too.
They're going to turn on them.
Right there.
Their horns.
They don't do that. They run.
Well, they aren't.
They never attack, Mom.
All right, I'm telling you, this
Look at that one.
distance between Johannesburg and Cape Town is 1,402 kilometers. And
No, the difference is
And the
between
opposite
Joburg
of
and
Campus.
Kimberley, please.
but I just want you to know that Johannesburg. You want to know between
Kudu.
Kimberley and what?
Johannesburg.
It's what's for dinner.
Okay, Johannesburg and Kimberley is 472 miles.
472. Man.
But if that's 1,400 kilometers, that means you're averaging 100